Ranbir? Oh, Ranbir. So, I mean, I'm bombarded with questions like this. I just want to say, once and for all, Rudrani. जी कुछ लफ्ज पहले तो आपकी हैंडसमनेस का राज बताइए
सर। कुछ चीजों में आपसे आगे हूं मैं, लंबाई में, मोटाई में। लुक्स के बारे में शायद मैं नहीं कमेंट करूंगा, वो आपके लिए, आप मुझसे बहुत आगे हैं उसमें।
सर इनको देखो,
इनको देख कर आपको देख।
We'll come to him. Speaking of him, sir, tell us about this, no?
So, thank you everyone for taking time to spend this evening with us. I trust that everyone enjoyed the first episode of Blazing Bajirao. The story of making Blazing Bajirao actually goes a long way off. When the film was getting produced, there were different facets of and aspects of Bajirao that we started learning. And then we used to have meetings with Sanjay sir, and the intensity with which he actually told us about Bajirao and the new things that he told us about Bajirao convinced us that this is a story that we need to take out to everyone, all segments of society, all age groups. And when we actually got into a huddle in Eros now with the team, one of the things that we actually dwelled upon is the times that we live in. And we factored in that today India is changing, and is changing at a very fast pace. The younger generation nowadays has a lot more exposure to technology, to the delivery mechanisms, platforms, and also global content. So we had to make some disruption in telling this story. You know, different aspects, the great warrior that he was, the leader that he was, his exploits on the battlefield. And you know, the Eros Now creative team actually came up with this brilliant, creative, disruptive idea to come up with India's first graphic web series. And, you know, at Eros Now, the promise is very simple. And I tell you with all my sincerity over here, that we are committed to creating compelling and innovative content. And this was our first step that we took. This also happens to be Eros Now's first original series. The inspiration behind it was not tough to find, let me tell you. Very rarely do all the pieces in the puzzle fall into place. And for us, this was very, very simple. We had the story of a legend. We had the phenomenal Sanjay Leela Bhansali. And we had the amazing Ranveer Singh.
Arey sir.
So it was
I was waiting, मेरे लिए कौन सा adjective आएगा? Phenomenal to use ho gaya.
So amazing. And so that's where we were. It was very easy for us to actually put our minds together and create this. You know, I don't want to say much more, but I'm very keen to hear your reaction.
नहीं sir, मैंने coffee ले लिया, आप बोल.
इतने बोलूँगा सर. आप स्टार हो.
ये मेरी बड़बड़ की दवा है सर.
फिर तो आप और बोलिएगा आज.
नहीं, मैं पकाऊंगा नहीं सर.
So now, but seriously,
what do I say, sir?
What's your reaction on Blazing Bajirao? Are
we going to get these chairs at some point? They're just sitting here very, like, feeling very shy. Huh? Shall we, guys?
I think someone's trying to punish us. वो लोग बोल लेके खड़ा रहे तो थक जाएंगे चले जाएंगे.
I think that's in the second episode of Bajirao when they say Bajirao कभी बैठता नहीं है.
Fabulous, sir.
They're making you live up to it.
हाँ जी, मैं क्या कहूँ? यार, it's very exciting for me. This is only my 8th movie, and now I have an animated version of myself. What did they say at the end of the episode? Unstoppable, invincible, no pressure. I mean, but yeah, it was very exciting to see him the first time. I was like, wow, yeah. And then did you see the figurine outside? It was pretty cool, huh? He's taller than you also, sir. आपने वो ब्रीफ नहीं दिया अपनी टीम को सर इसकी हाइट कम कर दो.
मैंने कहा ना सिर्फ कुछ चीजों में मैं आगे हूँ, बाकी सब चीजों
But very handsome figurine they've created, sir. Fantastically detailed, and you'll see it at all the major multiplexes, and people can click selfies. I think it's super cool. So I have like a figurine of myself now. I have an animated version of myself now, and something truly exciting. Are we ready to reveal that bit of information or no?
I think before we go there, I think we have something for you.
Okay.
We wanted to have a look, and you wear all these lovely clothes. And
Thank you. So this
and
is my.
You're a style icon.
Mr. Bachchan came to our set. We were shooting a big old bone-crushing warrior dance with Ganesh Masterji. We hope to go leagues ahead of Tatar Tatar this time. In fact, I just shot the last day and I'm here. We were just next door at Film City. Fabulous song. It's turned out really, really well. I really can't wait for you guys to see it. Mr. Vishal Dadlani has sung it. It's called Malhari. And it's totally kick-ass. I can't wait for you guys to see it. And Mr. Bachchan came to our set. He was shooting his TV show next door and he came over to the set. And he has just such a magnificent aura. So I said, okay, next time, this is my Mr. Bachchan tribute. This is my Khuda Gawah look. You like it? तू मुझे कबूल, मैं तुझे कबूल, इस बात का गवाह खुदा. See, so I love you, yeah. Never let me down. I love you.
So we've got something.
Sir, can you sing like me?
नहीं.
अरे sir.
मैंने कहा कुछ चीजों में आपसे आगे, बाकी सब बहुत पीछे हूँ आपसे मैं.
Sir. So yeah, this I believe is also something to.
नहीं.
If I'm not mistaken.
नहीं.
ये वही है ना?
पता नहीं.
I don't know.
So,
Shall we find out?
Please, let's.
Okay. What do you mean? When my guy friends ask me that, it means something else altogether, bro. What do you mean? What's the score? I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. I believe it was like 15 for 2 or something at one point today. I don't. I mean, we lost Shikhar early, which is terrible because I really like the look that he's got going on, you know. So I don't know, bro. I don't know what this. Oh, the game score. Apparently, if that's your iPad, sir.
Yeah.
So you've been playing that game.
We just got it this morning.
Yeah, it was.
You've been playing?
The high score there was 50271. If you must know, how did I get so good with numbers? Ganit में पांचवी में 5 बार fail.
So far, there's only 2 people who've played that game. One is Zulfi, one is you. So if you are the highest
That's
scorer,
absolutely killer.
Although
I do
the scoreboard.
suspect somebody from the Lula family must have definitely played it.
Who is the main villain opposite you in Bajirao?
Who's the main villain? Wow, man, that's a really hard one. I don't know how to explain this to you. It's a very layered and complex story about relationships. So it's not about. It's hard to explain right and wrong. I guess you just have to see the film and figure out.
Is there someone who is like a main villain opposite you in the movie?
Like I said, it's hard to explain. You know, Mr. Bansali makes these films that are so deeply connected with human emotions and are really driven forward. The narrative is driven forward by human emotions, and those are very complex and very layered and inexplicable, really. So I guess you'll just have to see the film and figure it out for yourself. I could not answer that even if I tried.
Also in the
I'm definitely the hero. So, if that helps.
also in the trailer that we saw,
Yes. Which trailer now? We have a teaser out. We have a web series out.
the web series.
Gigi.
We heard Bajirao being described as an alpha male.
Yeah.
Are you an alpha male?
Alpha male warrior.
Are you an alpha male as well in real life?
No pressure whatsoever on the actor selected to play the part in the feature film. Yeah, I can't say this myself. I can't say it myself now. How can I say, हाँ मैं तो alpha male हूँ? Who says that about themselves? Yes, my name means warrior. Ranveer means warrior. So somewhere or the other, I believe I was born to play this part. And so I put over a year into it, and I put everything into it, and it's shaped up really well. And I really can't wait for you guys to see more and more promo material as it comes along. It's very, very exciting. Many more songs which, Mr. Bhansali is perhaps unparalleled. Nobody shoots songs like him. I can't wait for you to see the way he shot the songs of this film. They'll be out soon. We have the entire theatrical trailer. We had a 3-minute out, which did phenomenally well, which was also happy about. But the theatrical trailer is really staggering. And I can't wait for more promo material to come out. And I think we're now 43 days away from the film. So yeah, it's exciting times.
रणवीर सामने आपके लेफ्ट रणवीर लेडी गैंग की बात करें तो
किसकी बात करें?
दीपिका और प्रियंका की, तो कब वो ज्वाइन कर रही हैं इस टीम को प्रमोशन के?
वो मुझे नहीं पता है, मैं बड़ा बिजी रहता हूँ, तो उनकी शेड्यूल कोई और मैनेज करती है, मुझे रियली नहीं पता। मैं अपना काम देखता हूँ, बस मेरा काम ठीक से हो जाए, मैं घर जाके दाल चावल खा के सो जाऊँ।
लेकिन रणवीर अभी आप यहाँ प्रमोशन कर रहे हो और दीपिका तमाशा के लिए रणवीर सिंह कपूर के साथ वहाँ प्रमोशन कर रही है, तो
आप डिसाइड कर लो। अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था, सॉरी। क्या कर रही हैं?
तमाशा प्रमोट कर रही है पृथ्वी थिएटर में। 9 बजे की टाइमिंग है, सेम यही टाइमिंग है। तो कोई खास वजह थी कि वो वहाँ है और आप यहाँ हैं, क्योंकि दोनों फिल्मों में वो?
जी, आई थिंक तमाशा 1 महीने ऑलमोस्ट पहले रिलीज हो रही है बाजीराव मस्तानी के, तो ऑब्वियसली उनके प्रमोशंस पहले होंगे, तो ऑब्वियसली वो पहले वो तमाशा प्रमोट करने जाएंगी, फिर बाजीराव की प्रमोशंस चालू हो जाएंगी उनके लिए, आई एम श्योर। मेरी तो चालू हो गई।
Are you missing her in your promotions?
I am actually missing all 3 members of the core team. Mr. Bhansali, who it will really be nice if somebody can get him to make an appearance. I would really love for him to come out and speak about this thing that he's worked so passionately on for so long, a dream that he's had for so long. And yeah, I can't wait for PC and Deepika to join the promotional campaign. I think it'll be much more fun if Mr. Bhansali and PC and Deepika and me, then we're all together. It'll be a lot more fun, and I'm sure much more exciting for you guys as well. So yeah, I can't wait for them all to join.
I will meet Ilika here.
Hi, Ilika Thapa.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing
How's your
good.
handsome husband?
Last I checked, he's still handsome.
All right, you got competition, sir.
हैंडसम क्वेश्चन में तो आप आगे थे।
अरे इनका क्या करें? मिस्टर 10 पैक। ये 10 पैक बनती कैसे है? मैं आपसे पूछूंगा। काउंटिंग में आप बड़े माहिर हैं। हाँ जी, बताइए लिखा जी।
So till when are we going to see you in this avatar? Till the promotions, you're still going to keep your head shaved off, or you're going to grow hair back after the promotions are done?
I was waiting for somebody to ask me this question.
So because I think more than a year we're seeing you like this. So
I think my खुदा का वालू, I need to have the Afghan पगड़ी on. पर अभी के लिए आप इनसे काम चला लीजिए। देखिए, रिलीज से पहले बाजीराव की पॉपुलैरिटी के अभी से लोग ट्रिब्यूट देने लगे हैं, तो अभी के लिए no, you got a nice one, just give it a week. But and really have to say, you got a really nicely shaped head, huh? Bad job, sir. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to. But yeah, I really, it's not like this is convenient or particularly comfortable either. I'd much rather go without it. But very soon, whenever Mr. Bhansali gives me a go-ahead.
Oh, we'll just take one last question, and then we'll call it a wrap for the evening. One more. Anybody?
hi Ranveer,
ये आवाज किसकी है?
how are you doing?
How are you doing? Oh my God! First, tell me you like the poster or no?
I liked it.
That tweet pada mune, tweet.
Good. I'm sure you got a lot of tweets regarding the poster. Didn't you?
Yes, an absolutely fabulous response. Almost overwhelming. It was incredible. It was like almost the number of messages and response and feedback like when the teaser came out. So I think the poster, I'm really, really happy that people have liked it.
No, I think, and also, of course, Your Mastani also wrote "Hello Hotness" to you on Twitter. Was there a general consensus of all the females and the males who saw the poster? Say it, Ranveer.
Say what?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say yes, it's true.
Thank you to Deepika. She's very kind. I think मैंने उनके पोस्टर पे पहले कमेंट किया था. So I think she's repaying the favor on a public platform. It's always nice to be called hot. When we launched the poster, you know, everybody was like, who does she look hotter with? Who do you think she looks hotter with? Ranveer? Oh, Ranveer. So, I mean, I'm bombarded with questions like this. I just want to say, once and for all, Rudrani, that the question was phrased like this. Who do you think she looks hotter with? Okay, so I do genuinely think she looks hotter with me.
Ooh,
Now, if the question was, who do you think she looks cuter with, I'd probably have a different answer. You know, those are different types of movies. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and Tamasha. So that's cuteness. This is hotness.
Ooh, that's fine. And all the best. I think the Blazing Bajirao looks fascinating as well.
Thank you.
Would you ever hope that one day, I mean, a lot of Bollywood celebrities they already have the statue at Madame Tussauds. That's a big thing for them, right? This is kind of the beginning there. You already have a figurine here. So, and I'd want to know if one celebrity, if you had gone to Madame Tussauds, you would really like to click a selfie with the way you're doing with your statue there.
Wow, that's a good one. Probably Michael Jackson. Yeah. I really miss him.
All right then, okay. With that, I think we'll call it a wrap. Anything else? Any last? You want to squeeze in one last one? Okay.
मुझे खुद बेफिक्री के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता सवाए इसके कि मैं पिक्चर कर रहा हूँ I think right now it's all about Bajirao in my life. One release after a few months and a film that I've invested so much into, put so much time into. So right now it's all about Bajirao. We're also finishing up the shoot. Promotions have also started for me, and there's a web series and a figurine and a t-shirt and a game, and there's so much happening that Befikre is something I will, dive into next year. So we'll speak about that then. But right now it's all about Bajirao.
Ranveer, there's one question which a lot of our fans keep asking on social media. क्योंकि अब नवंबर का महीना शुरू हो गया तो नवंबर भी शुरू हो गया.
मेरी सेक्सी मूंछ का राज क्या है?
Correct. कितना वक्त लगा होने के लिए? Because नवंबर के महीने में उग सकती है कि नहीं उग सकती है?
November. हाँ यार, like I gave you some advice, just give it a week and some Moroccan oil and you'll be fine. मूंछ में तो मैं expert बन गया हूँ सर. Mr. Bhansali हमेशा मुझे कहते हैं कि तुम पर अच्छी लगती है, उगा लो. रामलीला में उगाई थी. And now I've had it for like almost a year now for Bajirao, or not a year, like a few months. I'm really attached to it. I'm going to miss it when it's gone.
पर ये तार आने को कितनी देर लगती है? जो ऊपर जा रहा है ना, इसको कितना टाइम लगता है?
This is a trade secret, sir. आपको मैं बाद में बताऊंगा.
हम फिर तब तक Photoshop से काम चला लेंगे.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ranveer. Thank you, Zulfi.
रणवीर दिवाली आने वाली है, कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं नॉर्मली फैमिली के साथ, कुछ बताएंगे डिटेल?
मेरी नानी के घर में हर साल बहुत बड़ी पार्टी होती है. पूरी फैमिली, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली सब आते हैं. पहले पूजा होती है, फिर वो सब. मैं तो ड्रिंकिंग और गैम्बलिंग नहीं करता हूँ, तो ताश वाश होती है, बच्चे पटाखे उड़ाते हैं. तो it's always a lovely wonderful time to have the entire family together in one place at one time, and I'm looking forward to the party this year.
Will Mastani also join in this time around?
Mastani actually is from the 1700s, so I think that's going to be a little bit of a stretch.
What about Deepika? Will she join in?
Are we done?
All right. Let's pack this up. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for being here. Do spread the word. Watch Blazing Bajirao every Friday on Eros Now. It's an exclusive. And once again, Thank you for being here, and we will see you again very soon with the next press conference and the next promotion.